is your girl Maya, and I'm going to Vegas. Y'all, it is 4:40 a.m. Yeah, 4:40 a.m. And so we're walking to the gate now, and I'll see y'all on the plane. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very tired right now. So if sentences are not making sense, that's why. I got no. Wow, already starting 3 hours of sleep. Woke up at 1. It's 7 something. I'm at my connecting location, which is Dallas, and then we're gonna head to Vegas in about 30 minutes. And yeah, right now I'm in this little minute suite type place where you're supposed to be relaxing and sleeping and whatnot, but I gotta go in a few minutes, so I'm gonna see y'all in Vegas. Oh, this is the suite. It's pretty nice. There's a little pillow, bed. You know, my stuff is everywhere, but it's a little TV. It's small, cute, just what you need to have a good nap. We made it to Las Vegas, and I got my energy back. So much to do, so much to see, and it's currently 3 o'clock. So we're running a little late for our first event, which is the Museum of Illusions, but we'll be fine. I'm sure we'll be fine. And then after that, we got the Blue Man Group. I'm about to eat, take these curlers out, and then we head into the Museum of Illusions.
I won't ride that move rose that pin to be. Let's go, we gon' concentrate near the devil.
Ooh, this look too good. We got the jerk chicken, we got the rice and beans, mac and cheese, we got the jerk salmon, yams, like, oh my gosh. Taste test. I'm about to make y'all hungry. Ooh. Hungry. Mac and cheese, 8 out of 10. Salmon's pretty good. I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Rice and beans. How you gonna F up rice and beans? You F'd up rice. Next, jerk chicken. I'm about to give this a try. Jerk chicken, 4 out of 10. Cause like it's not giving. The flavor is not there. Rice and beans tastes like rice and beans. See y'all at the museum. I just wanted to show y'all the fit before I left.
Oh, you ain't top off. Oh, you ain't Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roll it off. Oh, you ain't big stones. Oh, you ain't 2 Instagram. Oh, you ain't ringtones. Oh, you ain't train on that bitch. Oh, you ain't ding dong. Oh, you ain't kingpin. Oh, you ain't wings in. Oh, you ain't hands on. Oh, you ain't seen it.
We just went to the Museum of Illusions, as you saw. That was fun. You know, it was cute. It was cool to see all the different reflections and all that other stuff. Now we're headed to the Blue Man Group. Oh, we're here, Blue Man Group. Y'all, we made it to the Blue Man Group.
This was not where the Blue Man Group show took place. In fact, she had a 15-minute walk ahead of her, causing her to be embarrassingly late to the show.
Blue Man Group was hilarious. I did not know what to expect. I thought it was going to be a dance group, but I was wrong. It was a mix of everything, activating all of your senses. Let me just say that. And it was interactive, so that was really fun. 10/10 would definitely recommend that. It's only 7 o'clock, and I'm just going with the flow at this point. So this is what I'm looking at right now. So pretty. So this is day 3. I'm not gonna lie, I did not record any of day 2. I forgot. I'm so sorry. Yesterday we went to a casino. We were lost. I've never played slots. Didn't win any money, but barely played any money in the first place. We did a bar crawl yesterday too, which was pretty fun. Around this, it's called Circa Hotel. That was pretty fun. And then after that, we didn't do much. We did not do much. So we went to Freemont Street, right? Tell me why I saw these nuts. I saw y'all know. Guess what I got in the mail?
These nuts.
We saw him. So I tried to catch up with him, but he was walking mad fast, like he had somewhere to go. Kind of looked like he was running away from us or something. But we tried to get a picture with him. Couldn't even get no picture. So just believe me when I say he looked exactly how he looked in that video. And so today, I just came from this restaurant called Captain Louis, and it's a seafood place, y'all. I'm gonna insert a little video while I'm talking about this. I got oysters, raw oysters. I love me some oysters. Tell me why there's a little crab inside the oyster. Inside the oyster, and I was about to eat it, but luckily I checked because I know it's raw food, so I always check before I eat it. I saw a freaking little crab in there, and I was trying not to panic, you know. So I was just like, man, it's a crab. And the waitress was flipping out too. I was like, okay, so this is not normal. So oysters were good. Aside from that, I did not eat them after I saw that. And I got shrimp basket, which was really good. And now we're about to go to Area 15. Probably get a little refill. And I don't know what we're gonna do after that, so let's go to Area 15.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the obvious, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad
We just came from the arcade. We didn't get to go to the supermarket this time, but we're gonna save it for next time.
You gotta do that asshole.
So yeah. All right, now we're going to Planet Hollywood. Ooh, and maybe the Bellagio. I don't know how to say it. Bellagio? Oh, Bellagio. We're gonna go there. Maybe. And probably go to the casino. Fat Tuesdays. Get us a little refill. And I think that's it. We're at the slot machine right now. I got my little drink. But it's very calm right now. It's Monday, so it's not a lot of people here. So, casino time. I already played. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give up because I put $1 in and got 12 cents. I haven't won any money this whole trip. So, but that's not gonna stop me from spending. I'll tell you that much.
Guess you found out all the mothers wasn't about you, and now you're gonna waste your time